another Christmas city?
Yeah, I told you I wanted to do one.
Hang the stars.
This time I'm gonna have you pick all the songs.
Well, I know a lot more Christmas
And I
songs.
want to put the good evening. Trying to sound like Barry Gordy on that one. But I am printing that Christmas CD and passing out to family members again.
No, that's a horrible one.
Yeah, Alexis.
I'm recording a new one. That is a no-go.
Okay, you got a little bit of time to do so.
36 days. I can record.
Oh, okay. You can do it in 36 days?
I can record about 4 or 5 songs. My voice is much stronger.
Oh, yeah? YouTube, it's your boy Mike T's back at you with another video. Hey, y'all like that gator? I ain't pressed this one, but I will be pressing some in future episodes. So we're gonna really get into it. Today we're gonna be doing a little bit of ornament decorating, I guess you would say. And I'm gonna press on these gloves. Shouts out to Alyssa Carter and Sam Day for giving me the inspiration and the ideas to do this. If you haven't, join the squad. But let's get into it.
I never made it.
YouTube, it's your boy Mike T's back at you with another video. Guess you would say. And if you haven't,
I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this world and right on time.
And then we're gonna take Sublimation film. First time doing it once again. Shout out to Alyssa Carter. I appreciate you pressing. As you can see, I got it covered with the part, the butcher's string, just enough so it can adhere to the wood. But it did laminate.
Do you read me? Send me my coordinates, baby. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me.
Lamination is at, and that's what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to get as close to the wood as I can. That so you don't butcher your counter now, but it will here in a second because I seen the amazing and get into this sublimation. And I want to talk about that a little bit more. And also some of the mats that I use, except the only difference is one mat from Silhouette Brandoh. I just got a 12 by 12, but if you're spraying that adhesive glue, you just use this mat. So as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, we're going to be actually laminating on here. And then we're going to take sublimation film from here, and we're going to sublimate onto the star, like that. This is the first time doing it. Once again, shout out to Alyssa Carter. I appreciate you. I'm going to drop an insert of what she did right here.
And then I did an oversized image of a Christmas tree with the blank. And then I'm just going to place it over top of it.
Right now I'm getting ready to press it. As you can see, I got it covered with the butcher sheet. I'm just gonna press it for like 10 to 20 seconds, and yeah, I got it at my sublimation temp because I didn't really want to adjust it. And I'm not putting too much pressure on it, just enough so it can adhere to the wood. So I probably could have went a few more seconds on that press, but it did laminate. So now I'm gonna cut off the excess edges of this lamination film, and then we'll get into sublimate. As you can see, I use Scotch Thermal laminating pouches, the non-adhesive kind, the regular kind that you could just slide in and laminate with heat. And it came out pretty nice. What I found, though, is when I was trying to cut around the corners of the star, I had to use an X-Acto knife. I started with some regular old Fishers and swapped over to the X-Acto knife to get closer to the image, to get it ready to be sublimated on. This time I'm going to press for probably like the full 10 seconds instead of 5 seconds, just to make sure that they adhere properly. Go back with the X-Acto knife and actually cut around where the lamination is at, and that's what I'm doing right now. And y'all, I am no pro. I'm simply going off what I've seen in a video, trying to figure it out for myself. I'm trying to get as close to the wood as I can. And it's important to have you like some type of mat up underneath you, some cutting mat, so you don't butcher your counter or your table. It doesn't look like much now, but it will here in a second, because I've seen the amazing work of Alyssa. Shout out to you again, Alyssa. But yeah, I'm going to finish this up and get into the sublimation. So you guys heard me talk about a cutting mat a little bit ago, and I want to talk about that a little bit more. And also some of the mats that I use on my Cameo 4. I usually grab a 3-pack off of Amazon of these. They work the same as the Silhouette brand, except the only difference is one mat from Silhouette brand is I think like $14, $15, and you get 3 for $14 or $15 with this brand. Works exactly the same, light tack. And then another thing I was talking about was the Westcott. Now what this is a cutting mat. They come in assortment of sizes. I just got a 12 by 12 because I only need it for a little portion or a spot of my counter. I didn't want to cover my whole counter with it. But if you're spraying that adhesive glue, if you're doing like a cotton tub, or if you're cutting ornaments out, you just use this mat so you don't damage the glass. I thought that was a tip that you guys needed to know. So we have our sublimation image on top of the star that's been laminated. And we're going to press it at 381 degrees for 45 seconds. Make sure to adjust your pressure, people. I tried to adjust mine. We're getting ready to see if it worked. Oh, that's hot. Nope, I need to adjust a little bit more. Lefty loosey, righty tighty, so I've been told. Let that reset itself. Come back down on it. And there, just like that. Now, this might not come out perfect. I wanted to, but trials, errors, it's all a learning curve. It's part of the process. I make the mistakes so you don't have to. Remember that. If you just watch all my videos, you'll see where I made mistakes and what I did to correct them. Yeah. Moment of truth, y'all. Uh-oh, I'm nervous. Oh. Hi. Even though I didn't cover the whole thing, which I kind of knew, you can kind of see right here the difference between that color and this color. So I could have probably just sublimated straight on wood. But I see that the lamination film actually brings out the brightness. I feel like singing that Doors song. We did it. Yeah, yeah, we did it. So what I'll do is probably put like some glitter up here and glitter down here and here. Maybe like some bows or something to make that pop out. But we're getting ready to press the next one. We're doing the second one right now, and I don't have full coverage, but we're going to see how this turns out. And while that's pressing, hey, yo, shout out to the squad. You dig? Seat from 12 Gone Apparel. All Things Style, Jerome. Say How You Feel, because he going to say how you feel. And of course, myself, Mike T's. Y'all go check us out on Facebook. Join, get some of that knowledge, some of them tips and tricks, all of that. Plus there's other creative minds in there. We're all on one accord. We're all out there trying to make sure that this process works. I see smoke. Did you see smoke last time? Hey, yo. I'll make the mistake so you don't have to. Hopefully I ain't about to burn down my shop. I ain't seen no smoke last time.
Grape flavor?
I never smelled the burnt grape.
No, like grape food.
That smells like stank wood. Okay, I mean, it ain't too bad. It's still a Nightmare Before Christmas piece, but for the sake of doing it, y'all, oh shoot, and it's hot. And be my first time, it didn't come out too bad. Now, the image, I probably could have used a better image. But I was just so excited to try this method out since I had seen it in live on the squad. But yeah, this one is a throwaway. This is what we call a throwaway piece. this one right here is gonna be the keeper. But I'm glad I got to try that out. So now, let's do Sam Day's custom. He sublimated on some work gloves from the Dollar Tree. Genius. We're gonna see how that turns out. Shout out once again to Sam Day. I seen this in the squad group, so I had to do it when I seen you do it, my good brother. And here are the safety yellow gloves, the same ones that he used in that video. We're gonna use this image. It's just gonna be a giveaway, y'all. I ain't selling nothing with the Ike on there. I don't want to get hit with no charges, Ike, if you do see me, please. But I'm just showing a tutorial real quick. So I'm gonna simply lay that on there. I understand that my image may not be big enough for the glove, but it'll add to the effect. And if I ain't said it enough, I gotta say it again. I make the mistake so you don't have to. Just learn from what I did and do it better. Put that down. It might be a little bit crooked. Make sure to adjust your pressure. We got the heat at 381 and we're gonna press it for 45 seconds. And yeah, I'll be right back with you, sure. Being that I've never done this before. Oh shoot, stuff sticking. Oh, I made a big major mistake. That was plastic on there. Ooh, okay. So, I'm gonna have to peel the rest of this plastic off, but I'm not erasing this from the video, and I'm gonna keep it in there. I wanna see if the front is okay. The front held up. It was just that initial plastic around the threading, the actual threading, which is what we can see now, a rubber band. That rubber band got, well, I definitely can't get these away now, but try to cut this out of here. And I'm not ashamed to get this on video. I made a mistake. Like I've been saying through the daggone video. It's a learning curve. So we know from now on not to heat this part. Just this part up here. Without that mess up, though, it would have been fuego, y'all. But shout out to you once again, Sam Day. I messed up on it, oh well. I'm not gonna throw myself in a tizzy fit. I'm not about to hit the floor. 39-year-old grown-ass man. I can't have that happen. Excuse the ass. But, yo, we at the end of this video. If you like this content, please like, comment, subscribe, comment, like. What up, squad? Squad up. Y'all already know what it is. Until the next one, I'm out.